Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. In this video isn't too much about Corel Draw as it is far as sharing files on my Corel Draw file share page. I did not draw these. I did not draw this one. And I have shared this one. I found these ornaments 2 or 3 years ago, and I cut one out. My daughter-in-law just asked me today if I could cut some more out. I don't know who drew them, but you feel free to use them. They're all Star Wars. This is, R2-D2, Darth Vader, C-3PO, Chewbacca, Yoda, and Princess Leia. They're not great, but they are ornaments, and they all have a hole already cut, for the string. You might want to look at them all to make sure that hole would be big enough. I'm sure you can get something through there. These things would be a good ornament. This is 4 inches, which would be about perfect. This is 3.5, and it is really a detailed item. So feel free to cut them out, do whatever you want with them. They will be right here under files. And if you're not a member of my Corel file share page, just ask to join. I've been getting a lot of people joining that have a lot of groups, and I'm kind of curious, and I've had a few start putting some ads on my page, and I just delete them one by one. So if you see any suspicious activity, please tell me about it. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.